Hi friends, I am Narenthar of Standard 12 from Saitechinfo going to explain about asexual and sexual reproduction in plants. In metric syllabus, I have taken two topics such as asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. I hope you will understand this topic by watching video. Before going to the video, please subscribe to Saitechinfo channel for getting better educational videos. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. Okay friends, let's get into the video. Okay, let us discuss about the concept map. Asexual reproduction. First, binary fission. The division of a single entity into two or more parts and the regeneration of those parts to separate entities resembling the original. Second, budding, a form of asexual reproduction in which a new individual develops from some generative anatomical point of parent organism. Third, vegetative reproduction, a new plant grows from a fragment of the parent plant. Fourth, regeneration, the formation of new animal or plant tissue. Friends, view the schematic diagram of binary fission, budding of hydra, vegetative reproduction, and regeneration. Okay, let us discuss about the vegetative reproduction concept map. Vegetative reproduction are of two types: natural method and artificial method. Natural method, example, vegetative production in root, vegetative production in leaf. Artificial method are of three types: cutting, drafting, and layering. I have displayed the artificial method of cutting, drafting, and layering. Okay, let us discuss about the important MCQ questions. First, all the following plants can be propagated by leaf cuttings except dash. Option A, begonia. Option B, hibiscus. Option C, bryophyllum. Second, which of the following method is commonly practiced for root induction? Option A, cutting. Option B, drafting. Option C, layering. Third, in drafting, the rooted plant is called the stalk. The stem cutting from the donor is called dash. Option A, sicon. Option B, transparent. Option C, bud draft. Fourth, fusion of unrelated gametes is called dash. Option A, fertilization. Option B, autogamy. Option C, dichomy. Fifth, bryophyllum digrymmontianum produces by dash. Option A, budding. Option B, vegetative propagation. Option C, fission. Sixth, budding in hydra is a form of dash. Option A, apophis. Option B, sexual reproduction. Option C, asexual reproduction. Seventh, dash is not a method of vegetative propagation. Option A, Lytic cycle. Option B, layering. Option C, drafting. Okay, let us discuss about the fill in the blanks in text questions. Production of new individuals from vegetative part is called as dash. Second, the fusion of male and female gametes is termed as dash. Third, the unit of reproduction structure used in propagation is called dash. Fourth, methods included in asexual reproduction is dash. Fifth, the plant which is in contact with soil is called dash. Sixth, the plant used for drafting is called dash. Seventh, dash method is allowed to develop roots while intact. Eighth, in dash method, plants of two different plants are joined so that they can grow as one plant. Friends, based on puzzle, I have done 6 questions. First, in what way that the stalk is large in size, science or cut, dash. Second, in dash leaf is succulent. Third, dash method is applied for parent to develop roots while intact. Fourth, the individual formed by this method is morphologically and genetically identical or called dash. Fifth, example for drafting method dash. Sixth, fusion of unrelated gametes is called dash. I have displayed the answers. Check whether the answers are correct. If any doubt, please put it in the comment box. I hope you have understood this topic. If you like this video, please raise the thumbs up button. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.